Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you about variable. You have listened this word variable many times. If you are learning any programming language, you need to use variable. You have heard if you want to calculate something or if you want to find out some values, if you want to store some values, if you want to take input from the user, at that time also you need to use variable. But what is a variable? Let's discuss about the variable in this video. Now see, this is my web page and I have defined here what is a variable here. I am going to refresh this page so we see what actually this page is doing. This page says enter the value for radius. I am calculating area of a circle. So when I am calculating area of a circle, I need its radius. I have entered a value, suppose 10. Okay. When I pressed OK, I have seen this that the area of circle is calculated and printed on my web page. I think everyone is able to see this result. The area of a circle is 314.2. Now, how we have calculated this? I have stored the value of radius somewhere. That's why I am able to calculate the value of area. Now, let's go through the code. This is my code and we will see the script only. I can see here is my script. When I'm using a variable, I need a keyword to define the variable. Variable is a container which is saving your values, or variable where we are able to save our values and able to calculate something. We can use four types, means we can say we can define or declare our JavaScript variable in four ways. First one is using var, second one is using let, third one is using const, and the fourth one is using nothing. Now let's go through one by one. First one is keyword var. Just you have to simply write var. In JavaScript, we are not defining the data types before. Mostly in the programming language you have seen like C, C++, Java, you have to write int a or float b like this, like you are defining the variable. But in JavaScript, we are writing simply a var keyword, and the var keyword can hold any type of data. It may be string, it may be number, or it may be any object. So this is using keyword var. Second one is I am using here let. You can see this is let. So let also you are able to use. Now next is const. Now const is not a variable. Const is the keyword to define a constant value. Constant value means once only you have to define, and that value will not change in the complete program. So still we are saving our value, that's why I am explaining this. So const pi, you know the pi value is fixed and we are not able to change it. That's why I have defined const pi is equals to 3.142. Let, and one more is undeclared variable. So x is equals to 5 here. Actually I have written here, but this is x is equals to 5 is undeclared variable. Undeclared variable, that means I have not written any keyword like var or like let or like any const. So I have not defined any keyword before this. I have directly written the variable name and then I have assigned the value. So this is how I can define. Now the one more another thing which I have to define here, document dot get element id. With the help of this command, we are able to print our result in this web page. So I will discuss this document dot get element by id later in the program, because this video is totally concerned about variable. The var keyword is used in all JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. The let and the const keywords were added to JavaScript in 2015. If you want to run your code in the old browsers, so you have to use var only. Const means that particular variable or constant which does not change the value. Let means the variable can change their value. It is like means any calculation, algebraic expression if you want to do. So you have to use this let var to define the your variable. Now there are some rules to define your variable name. It is fixed in most of the programming language. You have to follow these rules. So I'm just go through this rules. Names can contain letters, digits, underscores and dollar sign. That means you can use names like alphabets a b c d. You can use numbers 1 2 3 4 and you can use underscore or dollar sign. But names must begin with a letter. That means a1 is a correct variable but 1a is invalid variable. Names are case sensitive, so small y and capital Y are different variables. If I have written here var small y and later I am using capital Y is equals to 2, so capital Y is different and small y is different. Next is reverse word like JavaScript keywords. Reserved words cannot be used as names like var. var is reserved to define the variable like if, else are the conditional statement. So you cannot define them as a variable. These are the very important rules and you have to keep in mind while defining your variable. So I think that's it for today's video. Hope you like my video. Please watch it carefully. And if you want to ask any question, you can ask in this video. Thank you so much for watching my video.